In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to authorize an overdraft at a Bank of America ATM or activate overdraft protection for your Bank of America account. This process is quite straightforward and can be tremendously helpful in managing your finances by providing a safety net in case of insufficient funds. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps to ensure you're all set up for overdraft protection with Bank of America. To get started, you'll first need to open the Bank of America mobile app on your device. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you can find it in the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you have it installed, log in with your credentials, and you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Next, look for your checking account. This is typically the account from which you make most of your transactions. On the app's interface, you'll see a list of your accounts. Tap on the checking account you wish to manage. It's important to have overdraft protection in place for your primary checking account to prevent declined transactions and fees associated with insufficient funds. After selecting your checking account, you will see several options. Look for one related to account settings or overdraft services. This is where you'll have the option to select an account to which you want to apply the overdraft protection. Ensure that the account you choose is the one where you potentially face an overdraft situation. At this point, you should review the overdraft protection details. This step is crucial as it provides you with an understanding of the terms and conditions associated with the service. Bank of America generally offers comprehensive information here, including any potential fees, the terms of extending overdraft coverage, and how it impacts your daily transactions. Make sure to read this carefully to understand what you're agreeing to. Once you're comfortable with the terms, the final step is to agree to the overdraft protection policy. You'll do this electronically by tapping the appropriate button indicating your agreement with the terms provided. Congratulations, you've now successfully activated overdraft protection on your Bank of America account. This means that you can have a bit more flexibility when managing your funds. Should you ever find yourself in a situation where you're short on funds for a transaction, this feature will help you avoid embarrassing declines and potential overdraft fees. We hope you found this step-by-step guide helpful and that you now feel more confident managing your finances with Bank of America. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to Bank of America's customer service for additional assistance. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.